Looking to do some light upcycling this summer? Make it a breeze with my new upcycling guide with 𝒻𝒾𝓃𝒹. So I hear a lot of you say that you love sewing with patterns, but when it comes to upcycling, you're a bit more unsure how to approach it. So I'm so excited to be releasing my very first guide, the Beginner's Guide to Upcycling Summer Edition. This guide is for real, like nothing else I've ever seen before. It's like a combination of YouTube, Google search, OnlyFans, Patreon, all wrapped up into one. So now you're asking, well, what's included? Let me tell you. This is a streamlined step-by-step guide of my favorite summer upcycle designs that I have done through my YouTube channel. Hands down, the coolest thing about this guide is the technology that it's made with, so it's incredibly searchable. Like, you can talk to your computer, you can talk to this guide, you can audibly ask questions and it will take you to an answer within the guide. Like, it's incredible. The entire guide is also completely transcribed, so you can click on any point in the transcription and it will take you to that point in the video. There are also German, Spanish, and French capabilities if English is not your strongest language. And if you want, you can even choose to have my videos speak to you in that particular language. I've also included handwritten instructions for each and every step on every upcycle in this guide so that nothing goes unsaid. And I have also included some of my tried and true upcycle tips and tricks that I think that every upcycling novice should know about. You're probably like, well, what are all the other features? Okay, well, the OnlyFans side of it is that you'll get direct access to chat with me if you're stuck on a project and need some help, or if you would just like some further sewing advice or upcycle design advice. Any questions you have, you can message me anytime. And lastly, the Patreon side of it, it's just a direct way that you can support me as a creator while gaining some bonus knowledge and features that you're definitely not going to get through my YouTube channel. And the very best part of it, the guide, the entire guide, is only $5 You heard that right. Less than your average gourmet coffee. Sad but true. It's only $5 and you get access to it forever. This is very exciting for me, this first kind of release. I'm very excited and passionate about offering you guys, some more value beyond my YouTube video. That direct access to me. I get so many messages and comments. It really is hard to respond to them all. So this is such a great way if you have actual, sewing upcycle needs that need to be met. You have questions for me. I'd love to answer them. And I just hope that this guide provides you that value this summer and you have some fun with it. And happy upcycling.